Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line joining A3, 2 and B7, 10. So here I need to find the perpendicular bisector, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. So see, this is AB, A is 3, 2 and B is 7, 10. I need to find the equation of PQ, where PQ is perpendicular and as well as bisector. So PQ intersects AB at M. So I need to find the equation of PQ. So what I'll do is, first I'll find the slope of AB, then I'll find the perpendicular slope of AB, I'll get the slope of PQ, and then I'll find the midpoint. I'll use the point and slope, I'll find the equation. So first I'll find slope of or gradient of A. Gradient is nothing but slope of A, B. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. So gradient of AB formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here 10 minus 2 by 7 minus 3. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. So gradient is 2. So gradient of AB is 2. Now gradient of PQ. Gradient of PQ. So PQ is perpendicular to AB. So to find the perpendicular slope, negative reciprocal. So perpendicular slope or gradient of PQ is minus 1 by 2. Or you can use the condition, if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is minus 1. So first slope is 2. So the slope of PQ is minus 1 by 2. You can use this condition either way. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes is minus 1. This one. Our gradient perpendicular slope is negative reciprocal of the other line. Now I got the slope of PQ. Now I will find the midpoint. Midpoint of AB. M is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. So 3 plus 7 by 2, 2 plus 10 by 2. That is 10 by 2, 12 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5, 12 by 2 is 6. So slope is minus 1 by 2. So now I'll find the equation of PQ. Equation of PQ. The point is 5, 6 and slope is minus 1 by 2. Now the formula for this is y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So y minus 6 minus 1 by 2 into x minus 5. So 2, if we'll cross multiply, 2 into y minus 6 equals here minus 1 into x minus 5. 2y minus 12 minus x, minus into minus, plus 5. So if we'll transpose all towards left side, so I'll get x plus 2y minus 12 minus 5. So x plus 2y minus minus 12 minus 5 minus 17 equals 0. So x plus 2y minus 17 equals 0. So equation of perpendicular bisector of AB is x plus 2y minus 17.